Let's understand the version control key terms. I'm sure you guys already know this, but I just want to repeat. First is files. All developments or metadata changes can be represented by files in a specific format. For instance, metadata files in Salesforce are mostly XML based. Next is Git Commit. Git Commit records the change or modification of the file. As highlighted in the attached image, I have committed my changes 20 minutes ago in this user story. And this one is the commit ID for my commit or change. Next is Git Merge. It is the way to move a change or commit from one branch to another. You can use merges during the release process to move your modification from the branch you are working on up to the production environment. A typical flow can be from user story feature branch to int org branch, then UAT org branch, and finally to the main or master branch. Next is Git Repository. It's the place where file versions, branches, and commits are stored. In this case, my Git repository is this one, where all my branches are stored. Next is release branch. Release branch is generally created from the master branch. After that, all developers merge their changes into the release branch. Once the merge is complete, it is used for production deploy and subsequently update the master branch. Alternative names of release branch are sprint branch or team branch. For a particular sprint, there can be many feature branches for each individual story, but there is usually only one release branch. Next is feature branch. This is the branch where developers apply the modification related to a user story. Once the developer is done with the changes, developer can merge the feature branches into the release branch.